In this video, we are going to solve a question on piecemeal distribution. Once again, the question is asked in university exams. The partners are Rajaram, Tukaram and Sakharam. Now, this question was asked in 2018 paper. Here, Rajaram, Tukaram, Sakharam were partnership sharing profits and profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. On 31st March 2018, their balance sheet was as under. Capital of Rajaram, Tukaram and Sakharam is given 1,22,500, 52,500, 25,000. There is a general reserve given. Whenever a general reserve is given, that is an undistributed profit that has to be added to the partner's capital. So we have to add that general reserve into the partners. Now when you see the debit side, you will find that there is drawings. Drawings will reduce the capital. Drawings will reduce the capital. Drawing के वजह से उनका capital जो है वो कम हो जाएगा और reserve के वजह से उनका capital जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा. Okay? So first is we will write capital. चलो start करते हैं. Capital of Rajaram is 1,22,500. Of Tukaram is 52,500. Of Sakharam is 25,000. Is it clear? Less drawings. So drawings of Rajaram is 25, 25 and 25. Is it clear? I will write add general reserves. So general reserve you have to divide in the ratio. Ratio 3:2:1. So 30,000 is divided 15, 10 and 5. Hope this is clear. So you will get something called as an adjusted capital. Here 1,12,500. Here 37,500. Here 5,000. Is it clear? Now what is the mantra? Rupee. Ratio, unit capital, proportionate capital, excess capital. Rupee. Ratio, unit capital, proportionate capital, excess capital. Okay, so I will write rupee. Okay, first is ratio. Ratio is 3:2:1. Then I will write unit capital. Unit capital means you have to divide 1,12,500 divided by 3. 37,500. Next. Okay, next. 5,000. Next. Proportionate capital. Proportionate capital is nothing but base capital into PSR. Base capital into profit sharing ratio. So 5,000 multiplied by 3 is 15,000. 5,000 into 2 is 10,000. Next is 5,000. Okay. Next is excess capital. Excess capital. So subtract 97,500. 27,500. 0. Okay. Next, once again, rupee is ratio, unit capital, proportionate capital, excess capital. Ratio is 3:2. Find out the unit capital. 32,500. And here 13,750. What is the base capital here? 13,750. Multiply by 3. 41,250. 27,500. You will get excess capital 56,250. So first pay Rajaram rupees 56,250. Second, pay Rajaram and Tukaram, that is 41,250 plus 27,500. Next is paid to all. Okay, clear. Now let us see the liabilities. Now how many liabilities to pay? Here we are going to prepare a statement of excess capital. In statement of distribution of cash. Statement of distribution of cash. When we distribute cash, we have to write the outside liabilities and the inside liabilities. So outside liabilities mein, when you see the liability side, you will find that in outside liabilities there is something called as loan from Bank of India, and in bracket it is written as secured. Always try to understand that whenever a loan is secured, then that liability has to be paid first. It's a preferential liability. That liability has to be paid first. So here, loan from Bank of India, first I will pay that. After that, there is bills payable and creditors. Now your bills payable and creditors will be paid simultaneously. Both will be paid together. Because if you pay bills payable, तो creditors को बुरा लगेगा. If you pay creditors, तो bills payable को बुरा लगेगा. So we have to pay them simultaneously in the ratio that is 25,000 is to 12,500. That is 2:1. 12,500 2s are, 12,500 1s are. So you have to pay this in 2:1, and then you have to pay them in this manner. Okay, is it clear? So first, the additional information is given. Rupees 10,000 is to be provided for realization expenses. The following net realizations were made. There are 4 realizations made. Actual realization expense were 12,500. So first, the expense was 10,000 were kept aside, and at the end you have found that 12,500 actually हो गया, तो 2,500 और देने हैं. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Clear है? So let us start. Balances already I have written. Balances मैं लिख चुका हूँ. Cash balance 25 है, 45, 25, 12,500, 1,12,000, 37,500, 5,000. These are the adjusted capitals. Okay, पेमेंट करना चालू करते हैं. पेमेंट करना बहुत इजी काम है. ओके, स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहला, यू हैव टू पे रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस, मतलब यू हैव टू कीप अ रिजर्व ऑफ रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस. आई राइट लेस रिजर्व फॉर रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंस. हाउ मच? 10,000 you have to keep as reserve. So कितना बच जाएगा? 15,000 first you have to pay Bank of India, bank loan. Okay, so less paid bank loan. How much? 15,000 you are paying bank loan. Okay, so the balance will be 30,000. Yes. Now see the realization. First realization is on 15 April. कितना पैसा मिला? 50,000. You have to pay 30. पूरा पे कर सकते हैं. Less paid bank loan. How much? 30,000 you have paid. 30,000 you have paid. That means this is 0. Now you got 25,000 and 12,000 to pay. 12,500 to pay. 50,000 less 30,000, your balance is 20,000 remaining. This 20,000 you have to pay whom? Bills payable and creditors in the ratio 2:1. So write less paid bills payable and creditors in ratio 2:1. चलो 20,000 you have to pay. 13,333.3333 ऐसा आ रहा है. So take 13,333 and 6,666.6666 आ रहा है. Take 6667 कर दो उसको, एक फिगर इधर ऐड कर देते हैं. So balance will be 0 0. Here it will be 11,667. Okay, and here it will be 6,5,833. Okay, now add second realization On which date?
April.
30th April. How much you get?
10,000.
10,000. अरे ज्यादा पे करना है, बराबर है. ऐड करके रियलाइजेशन करके कर सकता हूँ, बट स्टेप वाइज ही जाते हैं ना. तो चलो पहले 10,000 पे करते हैं. लेस पेड क्रेडिटर्स, सॉरी बिल्स पेबल एंड क्रेडिटर्स. रेशियो में बांट दो. 10,000 is paid. 6,667 and 3,333. Okay na? So balance. Hmm. 5,000 and 2,500. Next realization. Third realization. How much? On date 10th May. How much you get? 67. हाँ बहुत पैसा है. So less पहले पे कर दो 7,500. Less paid bills payable and creditors 7,500. 5,000 and 2,500 पे कर दो. बैलेंस मत निकालो, और भी किसको पे करना है देख लो पहले. और राजा तुकाराम सखाराम किसको पे करना है फर्स्ट? राजाराम. डू यू हैव 56,250? Yes, you have 56,250. So less paid to Rajaram. How much? 56,250. 56,250. Tell me balance now. Balance. Here 3,750. Here
56,250.
56
250.
and here
37,500.
and here.
5,000.
Okay. Now you are supposed to pay Rajaram and Tukaram 41,250 and 27,500. You don't have that much money. The balance is 3,750. Now this 3,750 has to be distributed to whom? To Rajaram and Tukaram. But you have to pay them 41 plus 27, somewhere around 68,000. You have only 3,750. Okay. But that too you have to pay them. So in ratio, in which ratio you have to pay? 4,1,250 is to 2,7,500. Cancel 1 0. Cancel 1 0. When you cancel 1 0, you can divide these two numbers by 5 so that ratio और छोटा आएगा. But it's okay. You don't divide by 5. You take their total. You take their total. What is the total? 6875. Take calculator. I'll show you how. Take calculators. Take 3,750 into multiply by 4,125 divide by 6,875. 2,250. You will get 2,250. So I'll write less paid to Raja and Tuka Ram. How much? 3,750. You pay them. So you will get 2,250 and less 3,750. You will get 1,500. 1,500. Now you will get balance. ये रब कर देता हूँ, ये कॉपी कर लो. Ratio is 4,125 is to 2,750. Ratio is 4,125 divided by 6,875. 2,750 divided by 6,875. Okay na? Now balance is 0 dash dash dash. Here 54,000. Here 36,000. Here 5,000. अरे बराबर है? बराबर है? Now add fourth realization. कब हुआ realization देखो? 19th May. कितना? 65,000. This is the last realization. जब भी last realization देखते हैं, you have to see the realization expense. पहले realization expense के लिए 10,000 साइड में निकाला था, but actual expenses 12,500 हो गए. इसका मतलब 2,500 और हो गया. तो less रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंस या एक्सेस ऑफ रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंस 2500 बराबर है, माइनस करेंगे तो बैलेंस बचेगा 62,500 बराबर है। कितना बैलेंस बचेगा? 62,500। दिस 62,500 is to be divided in not all ratio। अभी भी तुम्हारे को इनको देना बाकी है, 68 देना था, उसमें से 3 दिया, मतलब 65 और 62 ही है हमारे पास। फिर से इनको इनके ही रेशियो में देना पड़ेगा, जो रेशियो लिखा था हमने, क्या था देखो, 4125:2750। टोटल था 6875 शायद, बराबर ना। तो चलो, लेस पेड टू राजा एंड तुका, ये कर दो 62500। चलो 62500 into 4125 divided by 6875, that is equal to 37,500. Okay, less 62500, 25,000. Okay, now loss on realization, बोलो लॉस कितना हो रहा है इसको? 54 माइनस 16, इसको लॉस कितना हो रहा है?
11,000
और इसको कितना हो रहा है?
500
ओके